if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
Hello YouTube, it's Daniel. Alright, this should be better. The last video sucked. So, Alex, Angus, whoever, just delete that last video. I'm going to explain everything in this video. So, welcome. We're here at Harry's house and we are going to be doing some work on this nugget of a car. So, here we have it. This is the JZX90. It is a 1JZ. Pretty simple bolt-ons and stuff like that going on, but today we are installing these bad boys. So these are some Sparco 6-point FHR harnesses. So they have the 2-inch shoulder strap, which is obviously better to have if you're driving at Hampton Downs because you have to use Hans device if you have a cage and passengers. So the 2-inch shoulder straps work really well with a Hans device. So this is the interior. It's not much at the moment because, well, it's not much anyway normally. But right now we are putting in the 2 floor plates. So these will go on the bottom for the bottom buckle that comes through the seat. We just had to take the exhaust off underneath so we can do some stuff to that mounting position, because I think we might end up cutting that off and putting a new double plate there with a longer bolt so that we can run the seat belt and the Hans device off that. Oh, not the Hans device, sorry, the harnesses off that. And then we have this one here in the stock seatbelt position, which is the longer one as well, so that's safe as houses. Do they have it? Yeah, beauty.
The guy had no idea what was going on.
Where did you go?
Super cheap.
Super cheap auto.
So much traffic, bro. This thing's good, eh?
Yeah, just weave through it. Look at this thing.
He runs like standing still.
This little baddie.
Yeah.
Matches the Skyline. There's the Skyline.
Pretty cool.
The best car in the fleet, hands down.
Get out of this.
Easily. But yeah, I'm just trying to vlog today for Alex.
Oh, yeah.
I did a little solo stuff, but it's actually really hard.
It is hard.
It's like,
I tried to do it when I was with
Wyatt?
I think it was like me and Wyatt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nah, it's good though. We got the tap so we can fix the
Yeah, I just explained a little bit in the video, but I thought you could probably do it a bit better.
When I welded them, they were just a bit.
So Harry welded these ones because we actually couldn't get the correct double plates. Well, technically the pre-made ones. These are still correct, but we're gonna get the pre-made ones that had the bolt already attached to the plate. So Harry, the engineer, I got a bunch of plates from NZKW. Shout out to Wooly K for picking those up for me while I was at work. And Harry's welded them on the back here because he's a beast. And he's just gonna run a tap through them because when you welded them,
Yeah, they just like shrink a little bit.
they shrink a little bit,
Yeah.
so it's a little bit tighter. So just so the bolts will go through a bit more freely. I'm probably standing in like a terrible place with the sun in the shade right now, but hopefully that makes sense. Thinking plate before on Glenn's car, you can't really see it.
Oh. The Glenism.
The Glenism, it doesn't focus. Alex, how do you focus this junk ass camera, dog?
There's tool pro sticker. I'll try that on Glenn's car.
Oh, there we go. Got it to focus. So yeah, that's why it's my favorite thing on the car. What are you putting on Glenn's car? Tool pro sticker.
Yeah, I reckon this will suit it.
Oh my god, how do you focus this stupid camera?
It's like autofocus.
No, I think you touched the screen. Oh, there we go. Got it. Yeah, Glenn, upgrade back. Looking good, Glenny boy. Bro, who are we kidding? Craig's not gonna watch our fucking videos anyway.
Shout out Craig.
Yeah, shout out Craig.
Shout out Craig Marshall.
Shout out Craig Marshall.
Get a missus.
Get a missus. You're the #1 ball bag.
To bowl everything in. So when we mock it up and do all the holes, which you'll see, it'll be easier than winding a bloody eye bolt in.
Yep. Beautiful.
You know what I'm saying?
Beautiful.
Right. And we've marked it. I guess you already showed them that.
I showed them the markings, but you can explain it more if you want.
Yeah, now it's just whether you're going to go, really.
Yeah. Harry did a lot of good calculated measuring on that one, so it misses the, what was it called? It's like the floor.
People call it chatter out. It's like a floor softener.
Yeah. It has like a big hump in the floor underneath, so we had to do a lot of measuring. Well, Harry, the brains behind the operation, did a lot of measuring and sussed it all out. Does the nut side go under the car or on the top?
Yeah, it goes under.
So this piece here will go underneath the chassis, so that way. Yeah, and then the flat piece goes on top.
Yeah, to sandwich it.
Sweet.
A lot of them only have that, and then it's just like you just leave it.
So that just sits under the car.
Yeah, and then you just bolt it in or rivet it in, and then like your eyelet just sandwiches into the
through the sheet metal on the car.
I know.
Isn't it? I mean, that would still work, but like I'm sure it would be safer to have the top plate, right? So in theory, that goes under the car, and then this goes on top to sandwich it, and then the eyelet goes through there. So Zach and Wyatt showed up. What's going on here?
That's my work to do.
Yeah?
Yep. Gotta get the boy right.
Gotta get the boy right.
No good. The oldie. Casual beach enjoyer.
Bit of
Pays
gravel
the
rash,
price.
mate.
Bit of gravel rash.
Yeah, a little bit of gravel rash. I don't know if I should look at you or that.
Just look at that. Don't look at me. Don't look at me, look at the camera. Look into my eyes. Not around the eyes, into my eyes. You're under. I'll come see you tonight and you can use them, eh? Yeah. Buildy. Glenn showed up. Hello, Glenn.
Hello, I'm eating a pie.
What are you eating?
Steak and cheese.
Nice. At least it's not a cream pie. What do you reckon about this?
That's great.
Looks great. You happy?
Yeah,
You stoked? You juiced?
very good.
Nice work, Bob. We have put the first Sparko harness in on the double plates, all done down there. We ended up just mounting the bottom one to the chassis instead of doing it from the seat belt because it just was going to work out better that way. But yeah, everything's all set. This is just underneath here for now so that when I drive it home, but normally it would go like that. And then obviously it's 6 points, so we got 2 there, 1 there, 1 there, and then the 2 over the shoulder to the harness bar. Harry's just finishing off the other side, and yeah, we put a we also did the extinguisher properly because the way I had it before was not ideal. So now it's all there, all sorted. Gonna pass tech, eh?
Hopefully. Hopefully the tech guy's nice to us.
Yeah, hopefully the tech guy's nice.
And it's all good.
Yeah, yeah. It's not like he's.
I think it'll be alright.
It's not like he's the guy who's been putting the car together. So.
Nah. It's a bit unfair. It's like marking your own homework.
Yeah. Glenn, I want to get a video of you every time eating. What have you got now? What do you got now? Chocolate Anzac biscuit.
You want some?
Fucking A, can you rip me off a little bit?
Yeah, it's very good.
Oh, fucking building.
Alright, mate.
See, look at me sharing.
What do
Look at that.
Bicky.
He's sharing his bickies. Bickies! This is a fucking mean bicky.
Bust down Bicky.
Did you have some?
Nah.
Bro, that's a good bicky. What? You want a bicky? What? It's not a disco bicky, but.
Do you want me to tip it in your mouth and you can sip it? No, I'll come around. Oh, hello.
I don't know where this left off, to be honest, eh, but
Hello.
where did this end off?
We were talking about the harnesses.
We were talking about doing the passenger side.
And now it's all done. Yeah, well, that happens.
We're not gonna. No, we're not trying to tell everyone how to do stuff. We're just gonna show them that we've done it.
Yeah. Well, that happened to me way too many times. To be
People
honest.
give a fuck
Nah.
about how do you drill a hole. How do you do? Fuck off.
Some people might. Some people might.
They know how to do that.
They don't know how to do it.
They can pay Harry's Mechanical to do it, mate.
Fuck off.
Hourly rate is $85 an hour.
Ain't that hourly rate doesn't exist.
Is that one
bro.
twisted? I'll take that one in.
Yeah, no, it's
How much are you paying?
That way's the right way?
this way.
This way?
Yep.
How much is who paying?
This guy in the front seat.
James is gonna buy me some beers, I think.
Oh, yo. Kingfishers.
Nah, nah.
Off Kingfishers
I'm
now.
buying some real beer. If I'm buying him beer, I'm buying real beer. No.
Anything that's not in a green bottle.
Oh, White Cats then.
Kingfishers. Mate.
The oldie.
Anything that's not fucking Stella's, bro. Hang on, don't pull that tight, bro.
Was about to.
I'm not holding it.
Gosh, I can't wait to see this thing whipping, eh?
You'll be able to see it from the passenger seat, bro.
No.
It gets tough.
Give it a tough get going. Oh, what is it? Yeah, tough times never last. Only tough people's last.
Why would you not put it in?
Wholesome World Editor gets new head.
Wait, make sure you do his eyebrows.
He wasn't impressed last time when I made that joke.
No, you look good, bro, honestly.
Thanks, man.
You look real huge on this camera, eh?
You know, it helps that I just went to the gym.
Just like blur everything.
You just can't. It's an install video, but you can't see fucking anything because it's so zoomed in.
It's an install video, but we just shot not installed and then installed. You're taking the wheels up the
Where you going?
I'll be on a flat poker.
Yeah!
Are you in trouble?
I gotta feed my fat poo, bro.
He's in trouble. Why is there a cocksock on the fucking power steering wheels? Why is there a cocksock on it?
Because it leaks.
Oh, so it
So
catches
put a
it.
cocksock on so you can't see how much is leaked out. So it's like ignorance is bliss, you know?
That's right, eh? Beautiful.
plug these in. Thank you. Little 40.
So you're gonna use this one there?
Yeah. Yeah, fucking hey.
Fuck, that was a bit keener. I think I'm gonna draw that quickly. Really quality metal, mate.
Whoa.
It's pretty good.
It's fast, eh?
Fast.
Yeah.
Ain't a fuck spot, so.
Nah.
We want it done slow, mate. We were taking it to one of the customers. Just be like, beep. What you got going on here, mate?
A little bit of a cooter action, mate.
What do you think of the cooter, mate?
Yeah, it goes good. Pretty good.
Wow, wow, wee, wow. Red and wheat, mate. Meow, meow.
That's nice, eh? That's nice.
And,
That's nice. They ain't gonna paint themselves, bruh. What? They ain't gonna paint themselves. What did he say?
Says, thank you for all the help. And then he's got dinner plans.
That's very sparkly, eh? Yo.
Glendio in a can.
Glendio in a can, bruh. Mmm. Nice. This camera's flashing, the battery's gonna die. Hey, hey, hey.
I can scrape
Fucking beat your ass. How you going?
Yeah, definitely.
You haven't finished the video.
It's done.
You have to show them.
It's done. I actually have to go, bro. I gotta go.
What did you do?
harnesses and double plates. It was a bit of a job. You had to get it perfect, you know.
Yeah, had to be good. We'll test them out in a couple of weeks, eh?
Yep.
Alright, see you then. See you then. Bye, mate.